Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the device visible to the computer, plug in your phone, enable USB debugging, and allow the computer when prompted. Once done, install or update ADB drivers and extract Android Multi-Tools V1.02b to a known folder so you can run the executable. Make sure a DB devices shows your device ID. If it lists unauthorized, accept the RSA prompt on the phone. These steps are critical because the tool needs a live ADB connection to execute operations. You now run Android Multi-Tools V1.02b as administrator, which prevents permission errors. Type the number for the function you need and press enter. Once selected, follow prompts precisely. Removing a lock or clearing data will occur immediately, so choose backup if you need user files. If you must reboot to recovery or bootloader, the tool will call a DB or fast boot accordingly. Confirm the device reboots. Pay attention to status messages. If an operation fails, note the error text for troubleshooting. Finish by rebooting the phone and verifying the result. Confirm the lock is cleared, settings are restored, or the bootloader state matches your goal. Once done, test basic functions, calls, Wi-Fi, and storage to ensure no collateral issues. If something goes wrong, make sure a DB devices still lists the phone, try another USB port, cable, or reinstall drivers and rerun the tool. Collect the exact error messages and your device model before seeking more help. This speeds resolution and avoids repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.